Hello and welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to disable the vibration on the home button on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. Here what you have to do, you go to your settings and then you can find the option of sound and vibration around here, and then just click that one, and then after you find this haptic feedback. So this haptic feedback actually it receives tactile response to gesture and system controls. If you turn it off when you click back or uh, multitask view, it will not be give vibration to your finger. So that's it, very simple tutorial. For me actually I don't really like this option, so I just turn it off. Thank you for watching guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.